Hi everybody, your homework for today in part is to trace these three characters. You don't have to print this page out, you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just do 6 or 7 copies of this character on a piece of paper and make sure you've also written the pinyin and the meaning next to your copies of the character, or you can print them out and fill them in here. The actual meaning for the characters is here. I'd also like you to make a copy of these radicals. The first radical is rabbit, so please write one copy of this character, rabbit. This is the rabbit radical. It doesn't look anything like a rabbit. Here I've had some students try to make it look like a rabbit. Okay, and they use that as the little tail. And these are the ears. All right, another student here has illustrated the rabbit radical with the eyes. And this student, who was obviously visual, did a beautiful job illustrating this as the rabbit radical, with this as the ears and the dot as the hand, rabbit radical. And here you can see the rabbit radical being used as the word rabbit in this poor English translation of don't feed the rabbits. Okay, so the first character you have to trace is Zao, morning. It's a picture of the sun radical rising over a straight line, the horizon, and it's in the word Zao Shang, morning. The next character you have to trace is Wu, which means noon, and it has a picture of the horizon and then a parallel line to show that the sun is exactly at its zenith, noon. We use these words in not only Zhongwu for noon, but also Shangwu for mid-morning and Xiaowu for afternoon. Wan, here's where we use the rabbit radical. We have the rabbit with its dotty tail. If you take the dot out, it means escape. Okay? And the reason that is that whoop, the tail disappears, you can't see it anymore, the rabbit has escaped. Now if you combine the characters sun and escape, it means night, because the sun escapes down the horizon just like a rabbit escaping down a hole. Okay, so the character sun escape is night. Oh, we'll come back to this. And that's the last character you have to trace. Xia and Shang we've seen before in 下个星期 and 上个星期, but to review them, this one means below because you have a long line and then a little line underneath below it, right, underneath it. And then Shang means above because you have your horizon and then there's something above the horizon.